How to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are not able to make a public profile on Snapchat or if your public profile is not showing, then there might be a couple of reasons behind that. The first reason can be that you're not using the latest version of the Snapchat app. If that is the case, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. Then you simply want to check if there is an update button. If there is, go ahead and tap on that. Now the downloading will begin. After the downloading has been completed, your Snapchat app is going to be fully updated. Then any bugs will be fixed. Now you want to open the application and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then we can move on to the second method. Now, the reason why you're not able to make a public profile can be because of your settings. So, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, tap on the gear icon. Now, you want to scroll down. Here, you want to find the Contact Me option. Tap on that. Make sure you have selected Friends and Contact. Now, head back. Next thing you want to do is tap on View My Story. Make sure you have selected that to Friends only. Then you want to tap on See Me in Quick Add. Here you want to check the box that says Show Me in Quick Add. After you have done these changes in your settings, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.